Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a foundation that promises to have it all: hydration, oil control, and long-lasting coverage. Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation claims to be the foundation for everyone, from those with oily skin to those who want a flawless finish without the heavy feel. It's described as hydrating yet matte, long-wearing, and waterproof. But does it live up to these bold promises? Let's break it down. The Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation comes in a liquid form and is designed for all skin types. The shade I'm testing today is 10 Warm Nude, which is a very light shade with neutral undertones. This foundation is cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. It's ideal for those seeking a matte finish without sacrificing hydration, and it's marketed as long-wearing and waterproof. Perfect for those who need their foundation to stay intact throughout the day. Upon application, I noticed the texture right away. It's creamy but lightweight, which makes it easy to blend into the skin. The coverage is medium to full, and you can definitely build it up depending on the coverage you desire. It gives a smooth, soft focus finish that looks natural but still covers blemishes, redness, and uneven skin tone. In terms of wearability, this foundation really impressed me. I wore it for over 10 hours, and it stayed put without sliding off, even during a hot day. The claim of being waterproof is no joke. I tried it during a workout, just to test its limits, and it didn't budge. For anyone who deals with oily T-zones, you'll appreciate how it controls shine without making your skin feel tight or dry. In fact, the formula seems to balance moisture while keeping that matte finish, which is not easy to achieve. One thing I'll say about the texture: while it's great for most skin types, if you have dry patches, you'll want to exfoliate well beforehand. This foundation can emphasize those areas if your skin is not prepped properly. For anyone with combination skin like mine, I found it performed best when I used a hydrating primer underneath. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: hydrating yet matte. Balances hydration and oil control, making it ideal for different skin types. Long wearing. The formula stays in place all day without needing touch-ups. Waterproof. Perfect for hot days, workouts, or any situation where you need your foundation to last. Cruelty-free. Always a bonus when it comes to ethical beauty products. Cons: dry skin issues. If you have dry patches, this foundation can accentuate them. Shade range. While the shade selection is decent, some might find it tricky to match their exact tone depending on undertones. Price point. It's on the pricier side, so it's not the most budget-friendly option for those looking for something affordable. When it comes to value for money, Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation is on the higher end, but it delivers on performance. For those seeking a foundation that can withstand sweat, oil, and long wear without feeling heavy, the price might be justified. It's especially great for those with oily or combination skin who struggle to find a foundation that balances moisture and oil control. Comparing it to other foundations in a similar category, it stacks up well. The coverage is comparable to high-end matte foundations like Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, though Too Faced offers a slightly more hydrating finish. If you're willing to spend a little more, this foundation offers a solid, reliable performance that will hold up throughout the day, especially for those who prioritize longevity and oil control. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The pump ensures minimal product wastage, which is always a plus. And while the product doesn't come with any fancy frills, the material is sturdy, and I haven't experienced any issues with it over time. I haven't had any direct experience with Too Faced's customer support, but given the brand's reputation, I'd expect a solid experience if you needed assistance with a product issue or concern. If you're hesitant about the price tag, there are definitely more affordable options that come close, such as Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless or L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. These alternatives don't provide the same level of hydration, but could be worth considering for those on a tighter budget. So, is Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation worth it? If you're looking for a foundation that offers both hydration and a matte finish, this could be your new go-to. It's perfect for anyone with oily skin who doesn't want to compromise on hydration. And its long-wearing formula means you won't have to worry about it fading throughout the day. If you have dry skin though, make sure you prep your skin properly. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.